This is one patient's personal experience. Results are not guaranteed and will vary based on several factors, including the patient's general health and activity level prior to surgery.
I would have to say, out of all the activities, downhill skiing, I had to limit the time because I could only ski for so long. It usually would take me a couple runs just to warm up. And at the end, I was gritting my teeth and sweating. So it wasn't that enjoyable. My name is Jano. I live in Ketchum, Idaho. I continued to do the sports that I do year-round. I wasn't kept from the sports, but I was limited in the fact as far as truly enjoying it because of the, discomfort. The preparation for surgery, which is given to you by the hospital, is very helpful, and it's very important and will be beneficial for the long run with a healthy food plan. Preparing yourself mentally for what you're about to go through, and it's very important so you don't have any apprehension. And I think definitely keep your lifestyle, keep doing, unless you can't, keep doing what you're doing, because that's going to have a direct effect, I think, on how you recover and move forward with your PT after surgery. Recovery, one of the most amazing things with this surgery is that you're on your feet almost right away. You're already walking the next day. The most interesting part of that whole process was that my mind, being ingrained with living with pain, I had to make that change mentally and just change mental habits more than physical habits. Basically, my life now versus before surgery is exactly the same, except that the discomfort's gone. That's really about as simple as I can sum it up. Because I dealt with it and it didn't shut me down. That's why it wasn't like an earth-shattering experience. It was a daily affair, dealing with the discomfort. So it wasn't, here again, I think I would go back to the biggest part of it would be after surgery, it was telling my brain that everything's okay. I didn't have to go back to my old habits.